Hi everyone, I'm Sutrayani J, reporting live from Yayan Parepare. Today, I will talk about a very important topic, which is sex education for university students. Sex education is knowledge that helps students understand reproductive health, personal boundaries, and consent in relationships, in how to protect themselves from harmful actions. This topic is very relevant because many students still lack correct information about it. Now, right now I am in our campus of the Yayan Parepare to find out how students view the information of sex education in their daily life. To learn more, I'm here with our guest today. The guest, please introduce yourself.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mila Aizah Putri. I'm a student at campus. I'm a student. I'm a student of English department at campus Yayan Parepare.
Okay, thank you. For the first question, what is mean by sexual education for university students?
Sex education for university students means giving correct understanding about the body. Give reproductive health, personal boundaries, and how to behave safely in social life. Students need basic information like how to protect themselves, how to recognize dangerous action, and what their rights are related to safety and health. So it's not only about sex, but more about knowledge to protect themselves.
Okay, yeah, I understand what you mean. Your explanation makes sense and is clear. The next question is, who needs to get sexual education?
I think all university students need to get sexual education. Both male and female students can face risk in campus life, like peer pressure, not knowing their own boundaries, or situations that make them uncomfortable. So, this education is important for everyone, not only for certain groups.
Yeah, that's alright. I agree. Everyone needs to knowledge like this. The next is, where should sexual education be given?
I think sexual education is most effective when given in the campus environment. It can be talk, seminars, counseling sessions, student organization activities, or even educational videos. Campus is a safer and more formal place, so students can learn without feeling shy or judged.
Yeah, that's true. Campus is the best place to talk about sensitive topics like this. The next is, when should sexual education be given?
I think sexual education should be given when students first enter university, maybe during orientation or the start of classes. Many students are living away from their families for the first time. They need early guidance so they know how to protect themselves before facing a more free campus environment.
Yeah, I agree. If it starts early, students can be more prepared. The next is, why is sexual education important?
Sex education is important because many students still lack information about the dangers and risks around them. For example, harassment, unhealthy relationship, peer pressure, or the risk of disease. If students don't have enough knowledge, they can fall into harmful situations. So, this education is important for self-protection.
Yeah, your reason makes me sense. Students really need to know this. The next is, or the last question is, how can sexual education be given effectively?
I think sexual education is more effective if it is delivered in a relaxed way, not too formal, and using simple language that students can easily understand. It can be through casual discussion, interactive seminar, or campus campaign. The most important thing is that students don't feel awkward, so the message is easier to receive.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Sexual education helps students understand their bodies, set boundaries, and stay safe on campus. It should be given to all students early and in a simple or comfortable way. With the right approach, students can protect themselves better. I am Sutrayani J. Thank you very much.